Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Hales and I make videos about the books that I'm reading. So my colourpop order came. It is the Twilight collection. Not the whole collection. I got the lip oils, so I'm going to unbox those and try them on today. I am not a makeup girly. I am not a beauty guru by any means, but I will buy anything Twilight. So we're gonna try those on. So I'm going to attempt to open this without flashing my address, because that would not be fun. And then okay, what is up with this package? What the heck? Ew. It's disintegrating. What the fuck? This is kind of gross. And I can't go get scissors because they're dirty, covered in raw chicken. So I just dropped one. Okay. This is nasty. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one must be Edward's because it's got the Cullen crest on it. The side, it says, "What if I'm not the hero? What if I'm the bad guy?" Yeah, so it says Team Edward at the top. And then the boxes are so cute too. We have Team Jacob, and it's got the wolf, and it says Team Jacob, and it says, "Really, it's just like an old scary story." And then Bella's has her truck on it, and it's holographic, and it says Bells. And her quote is, "I was unconditionally and irrevocably in love with him." I think hers is the red one. Yes. All right. So I think I don't know how I'm gonna do these. I think Edward's is the black one, and then, no, the black one is Jacob's. So I want to do blue, red, and then black in the event that it stains, so that I don't have to film this and then take a break. Okay, so we'll go blue, red, okay. They don't smell awful, which is great. Okay. Not a huge difference, just super sparkly and shiny. This is Team Edward. Yeah, it's just sparkly so far. I thought that there might be a little bit more pigment in it, but they are lip oils, so it's not really what it's meant to be like, so I get that. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna swatch them just because I don't want to rub that on my arm. I guess I could do it on paper, but yeah, so cute. I mean, it's just sparkly, but it's not drying. It's not drying out my lips. It feels good. I really don't know what to say though, because I don't typically review makeup, but I like it. Okay, I have the red one now. This is Belle's. I'm hoping that there's a little bit more pigmentation that shows up with this one. A little bit. But again, it is a lip oil, so it's not... Oh, I think I really like this actually. It's super subtle. I am not really big on like an overwhelming makeup look. I won't wear a red lip unless it's for an event. I typically like more of a natural kind of neutral shade. So I really like that this is subtle, shiny, glossy, kind of just not in your face. I might go over it with Edwards for a little bit of the sparkle, because there's no sparkle to this. It's just a gloss, basically. But I think I like this one the most. I am gonna say I'm probably not gonna like the black one as much as I like this one, but I do really enjoy this one. Okay, and now I have the black one. My lips are a little tingly, so that's fun. We'll see what happens with that, I guess. And we'll try this one. This one does not smell good. Okay. Okay. It's another very subtle look. I don't know. I like it. They don't feel like they're super drying. Okay, you can see a little bit more of the... Let me see what it looks like without this ring light on. Okay, so it is a little bit darker. My lips are tingling, so that's fantastic. All right, I am not a makeup girly, as I've said before. I do like this. I don't know whether or not I knew if it was supposed to be like a plumping kind of situation or not. So these are all of them. I think that Bella's is my favorite. I am probably going to use this fairly often, actually. I love it. These I'm probably gonna sit over here on my Twilight shrine, but I do like them. I'm very happy with them. But yeah, I have no idea how to end this video except for how I typically end all of my videos. Yeah, I am pretty happy with them. They are super cute. But yeah, thank you for watching this super awkward video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!